my name is Minh Khoa, but you can call me Percy. So right now, I'm a data analyst of one of the top tier investment bank, M&A, hedge fund, venture capital in the cryptocurrency space. And if you know, it's Spartan Group, one of the key and big player in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, my role is focusing on manage the valuations data sets, database, and also supporting the investment bank M&A deals. We actually work with some really big companies, for example, Coinbase, Robinhood, they all listed in the New York Stock Exchange. So basically, I support on the deal advisory side most of the time, yeah. To be honest, the feel really great over here. I already see some familiar faces, to be honest, and seeing us getting far away, especially compared to when we was just Western Sydney University students. I see Jastic a little bit, and really happy to be here, and of course really appreciate Western Sydney University to actually create such a networking event for students and alumni for us to actually circle around to check up with everyone. Actually, so when you get into a boutique investment fund, I think some of basic technical terms like valuations, financial modeling, sensitivity analysis, and a little bit about econometrics actually helps me a lot to survive in such a boutique investment fund, global top tier like Spartan. But the most important factor that I actually learned and got trained through Western Sydney is the mindset of problem-solving driven and also dynamic brain. So basically in cryptocurrency and investment bank of Singapore, the changes is really high, especially for cryptocurrency market. That's the reason why when you have a problem-solving driven mindset and also a dynamic skills, you can easily find out some issues and you solve the issues that not a lot of people can actually do. So actually the experience from Western Sydney actually helped me a lot, especially when you have Western Sydney give you a questions, they're gonna give you in different formats. For example, presentation format, debate format, quiz format, test format. So basically it trained you a lot. So that's actually helped me a lot in such a boutique investment fund like that. I actually still keep in touch with my friend, but to be honest, I work in a very niche field. And I also work for like global clients. That's the reason why it's really hard to actually connect and talk with my friends. But during the weekends, we usually play badminton, and we actually share a little bit about our life and also the market updates, etc. So basically, I still keep in touch with my finance bros. It feels very great because, as I said before, I see a lot of familiar faces and actually talk with them to know more about not just the work, but also know more about how life changes since we graduated. It's a wonderful thing. I think especially for finance or investment bank in Vietnam, I think networking is very important because it's gonna help you a lot with job opportunities. So for my two jobs, in the past I worked for Hsbc risk management. I actually got referral, and also for Spartan I also got referral. So networking is really important. And in the future, for example, if I want to start a startup or anything else, my network will actually help me a lot, and at least they will find a person that meets my need. I would say this advice not only for the students, but also the fresher, because to be honest, I have worked for more than one and a half years already in finance and banking. So there were two key points I would say to advise. The first one is always being curiosity. Second thing is always seek for challenges. So these two are very important, especially when you want to grow in finance and investment bank, because you're gonna have a lot of challenges and some unsolvable issues of the client. So that would be very important. And most importantly, for the fresher, I think that for Western Sydney University students or even top tier university students like UEH, they have that skills. But after one job, their flame just not as strong as before. So the sideline is that you should maintain those two things. Even if you go to jobs, you should maintain it the whole of your career life.